Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Ali Farhan bin Mazlan and I'm from JBA 25118A. My number metric is 2021-898-114. So today I will present article review for the topic Bursa lower in early trade on caution ahead of general election. So first thing first, despite stronger third quarter GDP numbers, Bursa Malaysia was lower in early trade on November 14 as investors were cautious ahead of 15 general election that week. According to an analysis, it's predicted that investors will likely stay aside first as the nation get closer in 20 November election. So the key highlight in this article say that the analysis predict that before making a move on the local exchange, investors would wait for the result of the GE15. According to Kenanga Research, investors won't trade on the local exchange until they know the result of GE15. The index rose by 18.47 point or 1.27% on that Friday following the publication of third quarter economic data. Moving on to the reviewing the issue, I made a research from other websites that agree to the article. According to the other article, Bursa Malaysia exacerbated its loss as a result of poor regional market performance on Wednesday, November 16, and cautious investors selling shares ahead of the 15th general election. While investors will be keeping an eye on US manufacturing and industrial production statistics outside, the outcome of the GE15 will be the major focus. According to an article from The Star, Bursa Malaysia is anticipated to see cautious trading this week as investors remain realistic due to lingering political uncertainties following the 15th general election. According to Tong Pat Leng, Vice President of Equity Research at Rakuten Trade Senam Berhad, the stability of the local political climate will significantly affect the short-term direction of the FBM KLCI. Next we'll about PESEL. In this article, it has three related to PESEL. The first one is political. According to the article, investors become cautious and become lower in early trade ahead of the 15th general election, which will take place on November 19, 2022 despite higher third quarter GDP numbers. The second one is economic. Investors should exercise caution before making investments since the nation's economy is unsteady and is further complicated by the Prime Minister's absence before to the election. It's predicted that investors will probably stay away first as election day draws closer. Last but not least, social. According to the article, the investor is being extremely careful while making investment before the general election. Investor will make investment based on the result of the election and to find out who will become the prime minister. So to conclude about this article is from November 11, finish of 1468.21, the benchmark FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI decreased 3.15 points. After the announcement of third quarter GDP results showing a 14.2% increase in Malaysia economy, the index was 1.27% higher. The FBMT 100 index shrank 12.1 points, while the FBM Syariah index fell 8.2 points. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for listening.